Have you ever struggled to achieve your dreams and goals that you set out for? So I headed off into the dark morning, but it was slowly getting warm. Well, it wasn't getting warmer at that point. The sun was slowly coming. It was getting a bit brighter. Hundreds of other people around me, but I was feeling rather alone. Sort of running out there, trying to find the rhythm. I hadn't got a rhythm yet. Maybe because of the cold, maybe my head was talking too much to me. But I knew that 7 kilometers down from the start, the wife was going to be there because the track, the road, the running route ran past her dad's house. So I knew that she was going to be outside. The dogs would be there. My father-in-law would be there. And I knew that it would be wonderful to see that coach, that cheerleader, somebody there encouraging me on. So I thought, I'm going to head out there because there's a friendly face waiting for me. You need a coach. To go out and do any journey on your own where you're breaking new territory and something you've never done before, even if you've done it before, but you want to improve and do it better next time. You need somebody alongside who's going to cheer you on, who's going to code you, who's going to coach you, guide you, motivate you, keep you focused. So by the time that I'd come to the 12-kilometer mark, I needed refreshments. There was people with little slices of oranges there, and took a bit of orange and had some water, but then the tape wouldn't go back on anymore in the mouth, but it didn't matter. Running down the long stretch, aiming for the halfway mark now. And halfway was 21 kilometers, which is the furthest I've ever run. Hadn't run further than 21 Ks before. But that mark just did not seem to be getting any closer. It just didn't need to get there. Massini says, yes, Tim, you did it. Thank you very much. Sure, you believe in me. And as I'm running, I run on a little bit of gravel, and a tiny little stone, tiny little pebble jumps into the back of the heel of my right shoe. I think, oh, now I've got a choice. No, he ate an orange. I've got a choice at this point. I'm now getting into a rhythm, although that halfway mark is not getting any closer to, it didn't feel like it was getting closer. I've got a choice here. Stop, undo my laces, take off my shoe, find that stone, put back on the shoe, redo my laces, and to tie the laces correctly so that that shoe fits beautifully and snug around my foot is not a quick process. It's quite a lengthy. And I knew because the wind was still cold, my legs are going to start seizing up. So I thought, you know what, as I run, I'm just going to sort of wiggle my foot and see if I can't get that little stone just to move down to the side so it's not aggravating. And it took about 1 kilometer, maybe 2 kilometers later, when I realized that's not a stone. It's a blister. It was a blister. Here's the thing. Accept, again, that not everything is going to go according to plan. All success, all achievement is reached on the other side of discomfort.